FoodOps new Document Center transforms how you manage documentation, bringing standard operating procedures, policies, chain of materials, and compliance records into one simple, controlled workspace. The Document Center module within FoodOps allows you to create documents directly in the system using the built-in document editor, or you could upload files from your existing system. It's simple to manage, easy to update, and takes just a few clicks to keep everything controlled and accessible. Documents in FoodOps Document Center are fully controlled, with version history, approvals, and permissions built in, ensuring everyone always works from the latest approved version. Change management in FoodOps is simple. Reviewers submit change requests through notifications, while document owners update documents directly in the document manager. Versions update automatically across the system, so there's always one clear, up-to-date, published version. Document access is simple for teams in the office and on the factory floor. SOPs and training materials can be linked directly to live procedures, so your team has everything they need while they're working, all on one screen. Importantly, the Document Center gives you a complete audit trail of document reviews, access, and actions across departments, so managing training, SOPs, and compliance is all handled within the FoodOps platform.